Ever had that little voice in your head saying, I should write an ebook, but then you think about it and you're like, wow, that's way too much work. You imagine spending months staring at a blank page, trying to make it perfect, and the whole idea just feels impossible. Well, what if I told you that in 2025, that's not how it works anymore? The game has completely changed. We've got this amazing toolkit with ChatGPT Canva, Veda IO and Hostinger, and with them you can go from an idea to a finished professional ebook ready to sell in a single weekend. Hey you, it's Ikane here, and I share information on how to make money online and the tools I use. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step. I'll share how to find a topic people are actually searching for, how to use these tools together to build something beautiful, and how to get it out into the world so it can start making you money. This isn't just about a side hustle. It's about building something that feels like yours. Let's get started. Well, there are 7 parts to this video, and I'm going to walk you through each step. Part one, the importance of selling ebooks. Before we dive into the fun stuff, let's talk about why ebooks are still the ultimate passive income product. I'm not just saying this, they've stood the test of time for a few key reasons. Number one, reason you build it once and you sell it forever. And number two, there's no inventory, no shipping, and no hassle. Number three, the startup cost is mostly zero. All you need is your laptop and these tools, many of which have free versions. You can sell them everywhere, like from Amazon, Gumroad, Etsy, or on your own website. And most importantly, people are hungry for knowledge. People want to learn and people want to make money online. We are all looking for quick, actionable guides to solve our problems, and ebooks are the perfect answer. With tools like ChatGPT for the writing, Canva for design, and Videotire for the video marketing, and Hostinger to host your own store, you have a complete all-in-one ecosystem. You're not just a creator, you're a publisher, marketer, and designer all in one, and it feels pretty amazing. Part two, finding your golden idea. Okay, so you're ready to create something, but what should it be about? You have that idea, but you're thinking, okay, how can I create that ebook? Or what should it be about? You don't want to just write about something you think is cool. You want to find a topic where there's a real proven demand or it's trending. This is where we do a little research. Based on what's trending right now in 2025, here's some niches that are absolutely killing it. Number one is money and finance. Think about things like beginner guide to crypto or budgeting for a family of four. These are topics that solve a real life problem. Number two is health and wellness. People always want to feel better. This could be a meal prep guide for busy professionals or a 30-day self-care journal. Number three, self-improvement. This is a huge one. Affirmations for a positive mindset. Productivity hacks for remote workers are topics that help people level up their lives. And number four, creative skills. Are you good at something? Maybe it's a guide to using Midjourney for beginners or Canva or how to shoot better photos on your phone. Okay, my biggest piece of advice is pick a niche you are genuinely excited about or something you know for a while. That passion will come through in your writing and your marketing, and it's the secret ingredient that makes people want to buy from you. Number three, this is the part that used to be the biggest hurdle, the blank page, the writer's block, but now it's a creative partnership. Think of it. Think of ChatGPT as your brainstorming buddy and your co-author. It's here to help you get the words on the page. Here's how I start. Let's say I've decided to write about budgeting made simple for creatives. I don't just write me an ebook. That's like asking for a whole cake in one go. Instead, I can ask for the recipe first. I would type something like, I'm writing a 10 chapter ebook for creative freelancers called Budgeting Made Simple. Can you give me a detailed outline for the book? Each chapter should have 3 to 5 key takeaways. Once I have that outline, the process feels so much more manageable. Then I go chapter by chapter. Okay. Now write chapter one for budgeting made simple. Keep the note tone friendly and conversational with actionable tips and a few budget points. Remember, the goal isn't to copy paste. You're a human. You have a unique voice, personal stories, and opinions. This is the foundation. You add the magic. You take what ChatGPT gives you and make it feel like you wrote it. It's the easiest way to overcome that initial inertia and just start creating. Part four, making it beautiful. Once you have the words, it's time to bring them to life. You might think you need a professional designer. Trust me, you don't. Canva has leveled the playing field for all of us. Just log in and search for ebook template. You'll see thousands of pre-made designs. Well, if you don't have a Canva account yet, simply go to Google, type it, and sign up. It's free. Pick one that speaks to you and your topic. Maybe something clean and minimal for a financial guide, or something bold colors for a fitness book. Then you just start pasting your text from ChatGPT writing. You can easily add graphics and icons to make key points stand out, charts and graphs to explain data in a visual way, images to break up the text and make it more engaging, your brand colors and fonts to make it feel cohesive. In a surprisingly short amount of time, you'll have a beautifully designed, professional looking ebook. Just save it as a PDF, print file so it's high quality and ready for buyers to download. Part 5, creating your online home. Now, you can absolutely sell on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon, but if you want to build a real brand, you need your own little corner of the internet, a place where you are in control, not just storefront among many. That's where Hostina comes in. They make it super simple to get your own professional website up and running. Think about it. You'll have a custom domain name like your name.com. This instantly makes you look more professional. You can create a beautifully landing page just for your ebook with a clear call to action. You're not paying marketplace fees on every single sale. You get to keep more of your hard earned money. And you can get that. I'll leave the description of the links. I'll leave the links in the description for you to check it out. And you can get that business plan for just $3 a month. if you purchase the yearly plan. Their website builder is so nice. It's a simple drag and drop system. You can literally build a beautiful, functional website for your ebook in an afternoon within just minutes, and it's a powerful move for long-term growth. Part six, bringing in the buyers. Okay, you have your ebook and you have a place to sell it. Now, how do you get people to actually see it? In 2025, the answer is video. Think TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube, Shorts. But let's be real, video editing can be overwhelming. That's why I love Vid.io. It's built for exactly this. It's an online video editor that makes it easy to create short, snappy videos that grab attention. Here's how use it. Record a screen capture of yourself flipping through your beautiful new ebook in Canva. Upload a clip to video.io. Add automatic caption. This is a huge one. Most people watch videos on mute. And some royalty free music from their library. Throw in some cool animations, transitions to make it pop. You'll have a killer 15-second video that you can post everywhere, driving traffic directly to your hosting or website or your Etsy store or Gumroad. It's the most effective way to market a digital product right now. Well, I'll leave the link in the description and you can start for free for 3 months. And part seven, art of selling and CEO. You've done the hard work of creating and marketing. Now let's make sure people find it. This is where CEO or search engine optimization comes in. Think of it as a tresemme for your buyers. Whether you're selling on Etsy, Gumroad, Hostinger, your own site, you want to use keywords that people are actually typing into the search bar. Here are some of the hot or trending ones for 2025 that you should be using. How to create an ebook with ChatGPT, Canva ebook template, sell ebooks online 2025, passive income with digital products, trending ebook niches 2025, or your own. Or you can use ChatGPT to give you those SEO content or keywords. Use these keywords in your ebook title, your product description, and your text. For example, instead of just budgeting ebook, you'd use a title like Budgeting Made Simple, Beginner's Money Guide ebook, and printable, printable planner. These are small change that makes a huge difference. So there you have it. That's the repeatable, powerful process for launching a digital product business in 2025. It's not about being a genius. It's about leveraging these incredible tools to bring your creative ideas to life. You pick a trending idea, you use ChatGPT to get the words flowing, you design it with Canva, you build a brand home with Hostinger, you market with vid.io, and you sell it with Smart SEO. If you've been on the fence about starting your own creative project or digital product business, this is your sign. The process is easier than you think. You just have to start. I'd love to know what ebook you're going to create first. Drop a comment below and let me know your idea. And let's thank you for watching. And as a thank you for watching, I've put together something for you. Check the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe for more tips.